Jenna Ortega is a remarkable actress who has made a name for herself in Hollywood since she was a child. She has attained a level of accomplishment that many individuals can only dream about at the age of 21. In this video, we'll delve deep into Jenna Ortega's opulent lifestyle, investigating her net worth, fortune, vehicle collection, residences, and more. Prepare to be surprised, Luxies, as we reveal this young star's luxurious lifestyle. Welcome to Luxury of the Day, inspiring you to unlock your billionaire potential. Today, we'll take a closer look at Jenna Ortega, a 21-year-old actress who has already made an impact in the entertainment industry. But before we get into her lavish lifestyle, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Let's get this party started. Early years and background. Growing up in La Quinta, California, located in the Coachella Valley, Jenna Ortega was born into a loving family with 5 siblings and Mexican Puerto Rican parents. She has always been proud of her heritage and grateful for the opportunity to share her culture with the world. In interviews, Ortega has spoken about the strong sense of community she experienced growing up, surrounded by all kinds of diverse influences. This upbringing has played a significant role in shaping her values and ultimately her incredible success in Hollywood. Career beginnings and rise to stardom. Jenna Ortega's career took off suddenly at the age of 7. Her mother recorded her performing a theatrical monologue and put it on Facebook, which piqued the interest of a casting agency. Despite her doubts about entering the industry, Ortega's apparent skill led to parts in a number of television shows and films. She has been in Jane the Virgin, You, Scream, The Babysitter, Iron Man 3, and portrayed Princess Isabel in the Disney animated series Elena of Avalor. She most recently starred in the Netflix blockbuster series Wednesday. Net worth and earnings. In addition to fame and recognition, Jenna's incredible journey in the entertainment world has also given her significant financial success. Jenna's projected net worth is a staggering $3 to $4 million, thanks to a flourishing career that shows no signs of slowing down. This number is anticipated to rise quickly as she enthralls audiences with her extraordinary talent and variety. Along with pursuing an acting career, Jenna has profited from her notoriety by securing lucrative brand endorsement deals and taking on a number of projects, demonstrating her extraordinary talents and drive for success. It is clear that Jenna Ortega's diligence and hard work have paid off handsomely, enabling her to live the opulent lifestyle she so well deserves. Now that we've covered some of the highlights of Jenna Ortega's luxurious lifestyle, we want to know what you think. Leave a comment below sharing your favorite aspects of her life, and be sure to like and share this video with your friends. Mansion and real estate. This young actress, who has won millions of hearts with her compelling performances, has deep roots in California, where she grew up and spent most of her life. Jenna has embraced the culture and lifestyle of the Golden State as a proud Californian, building lasting memories and ties with the place she calls home. Despite her enormous success, the down-to-earth singer has yet to purchase her own residence. This unexpected detail demonstrates Jenna's grounded demeanor and ability to maintain a sense of humility despite her expanding fame and money. As she advances in her work, it will be fascinating to see where Jenna eventually chooses to settle and construct a refuge that reflects her own blend. Car collection. Jenna's lavish lifestyle is complemented by her outstanding car collection, which includes high-end vehicles that seamlessly blend style, performance, and comfort. The sleek Audi Q3, priced at an astonishing $34,000, is one of her collection's eye-catching beauties. This tiny luxury SUV is noted for its exceptional handling, cutting-edge technology, and opulent interior, making it a perfect choice for the skilled actress. The BMW M235i, which costs $45,500, is another standout in Jenna's car collection. With its aggressive look, powerful engine, and great handling, this sporty, performance-oriented vehicle is a definite head-turner. Jenna appreciates the M235i's exhilarating driving experience, as well as the grandeur connected with the BMW brand. Jenna Ortega not only demonstrates her exquisite taste while cruising the streets of California in these luxurious automobiles, but she also garners the respect of fellow car aficionados who can't help but be attracted by her astounding collection. Charities and giving back. Jenna Ortega's lavish lifestyle does not prevent her from giving her fortune to people in need. She is deeply involved with a number of charity organizations, leveraging her celebrity fame to promote awareness and funding for important causes. Her charitable heart shines through her support for organizations such as Save the Children, which works to improve the lives of children all over the world by providing better education, healthcare, and economic opportunities. Jenna's commitment to making the world a more inclusive and varied place is evident in her support for the Trevor Project, an organization that provides crisis intervention and suicide prevention services to LGBTQ+ children. Jenna is also an active part of the Alliance of Moms, a group of powerful women that encourage young mothers in foster care. Jenna Ortega demonstrates not just her incredible talent as an actor, but also her caring heart and unwavering devotion to making a positive influence in the world around her by actively participating in these numerous humanitarian projects. Her inspirational humanitarian activity serves as a reminder that success and fortune may be used to make a positive difference in the lives of others. Fashion and style. Jenna Ortega transitioned from her role as a charming young actress in Jane the Virgin 2014 to that of the melancholy recognizable Wednesday Addams in the smash Netflix series Wednesday 2022. The actress has recently appeared in a number of dark film projects such as The Babysitter Killer Queen 2020 and the Scream series 2022 to 2023. Since then, her edgy adult roles have had a big impact on her style, which nowadays tends to feature a lot of lace, platform shoes, and most importantly, the color black. Ortega was the sole creator of the Wednesday core fad this year, prompting followers all around the world to wear all black clothing year after year. Social media presence. With millions of followers across various social media platforms, Jenna Ortega uses her online presence to connect with fans and keep them updated on her life and career. She is active on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, where she shares glimpses of her luxurious lifestyle, behind-the-scenes moments, and candid snapshots. Her social media presence helps her maintain a strong connection with her supporters and provides inspiration for those looking to follow in her footsteps. We hope you've enjoyed this exclusive look into the luxurious lifestyle of Jenna Ortega. It's clear that she has worked hard to achieve her success and enjoys the finer things in life while still remaining true to her roots. Don't forget to subscribe to Luxury of the Day for more inspiring content and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest videos. As always, Luxies, remember to comment, like, and share this video with your friends. Until next time, keep unlocking your billionaire potential.